Zen garden is an art form. Each element serves the purpose of seeking tranquility. Its main components include simplicity. Zen gardens are famous for their simple designs. Simplicity is key. Limit the number of elements in your garden to ensure it stays clutter-free and is pleasing to the eye. Sand or gravel base. The foundation of a Zen garden usually consists of sand or gravel, which symbolizes water or the ocean. The form of sweeping sand is a meditation practice. Rocks. Carefully selected rocks strategically placed to represent islands, mountains, or other natural features. These should be arranged with balance in mind. Plants. You can add sparse, carefully trimmed plants such as bonsai trees, moss, or small shrubs. To add color to life, don't forget to trim it neatly. Bridge and lantern. Additional options such as bridges and lanterns can add character to your garden. But again, keep it simple. Maintenance. Sweep the sand or gravel regularly to create new patterns. And take care of the trees to be well taken care of. Keep an eye on the movement of the rocks. Ideas for Japanese garden or Zen garden. A Zen garden is more than just beautiful gardening. It is the gateway to inner peace and contemplation. With origins deeply rooted in Japanese culture, these gardens are a retreat from the hustle and bustle of the world. By following simple instructions and diligent care, you can create and maintain your own Zen garden. It is a timeless haven for tranquility and self-reflection. Whether you are a gardening enthusiast or someone seeking peace in everyday life, a Zen garden can be a profound addition to your world.